Nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Imus Center para dito sa Sheng's Gourmet at interview natin ang marketing director na si Ma'am Grace Robles. Ayan, hello Ma'am Grace.
Hi.
Ano pong bago ngayon dito sa Sheng's?
So for now, we were invited by SM City Mall, so SM Imus and SM Molino to present our products and promote as well. So we have the Sheng's Gourmet, so we have the Bagoong Bagnet.
Okay. Bagnet Bagoong. Unique. It's unique.
Then we have the Spanish style bangus.
Okay.
So this one in pure olive oil. And we have two variants. We have original and the other one is spicy.
Okay, may original and spicy.
And the other one is we have the Tuyo Gourmet. So we have the original and spicy in both olive oil also.
Ayan.
Then aside from that, our new product is this one, the chicken pastil in olive oil as well, in original and spicy. Yan Ma'am Grace yung nilalagay sa ibabaw lang ng kanin? Yes.
Ayan, anytime pwedeng luto na siya.
Ready na kainin.
Ready to eat. Yes. Okay.
So aside from that, we also have the chili garlic
oil. Okay. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ayan kung makikita nyo, pure siya
Yeah.
Pure siya, may chili and garlic. Ayan. Ma'am Grace, saan ang main branch?
Okay, ang main manufacturing area is in Ilas Compound, Kasadang Baguan, Imus, Cavite.
Okay. Ilas Compound, okay.
Dito lang, Gawang Imus.
Tapos hanggang kailan to, Ma'am Grace?
Actually, yung stay namin sa SM is until December 31.
Ang haba pa!
Yes.
Whole December! Invite niyo sila, Ma'am Grace, dito sa bumili ng Sheng's.
I would like to invite everyone to please visit our store here in SM Imus and SM Molino. Then you can also
SM Molino?
Yes, we have also in SM Molino.
Ayan. Pwede nila ma-visit yung factory o ano?
Actually, for now, FB page we have.
Okay. FB page. Okay.
Just visit the Sheng's Gourmet FB page.
Ayan.
Makikita na nila agad to.
Makikita na lahat.
Pag tinype nila sa FB, ito na agad yung makikita.
Pati the making.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Then we're also open for the rebranding, ha?
Rebranding, okay.
For the small businesses who wanted to start their own business.
Okay. Yung lalagyan ng sarili nilang name.
Pangalan.
Okay. Kasi may yung factory na sunod-sunod ang gawa, okay? Any final remarks, Ma'am Grace?
Okay. Anyway, thanks for the privilege to promote our product.
It's a pleasure, Ma'am Grace.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you po.
Ayan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa may SM City, Center Imus. Ayan, makikita nyo. Ito, ngayon ko lang nakita Bagnet Bagoong. At saka yung mga Spanish style. Lahat yan from olive oil, yung mamahaling olive oil. Ayan. And how much pala, ma'am?
Okay.
Para may idea sila.
For the price po, for the Bagnet Bagoong, 220.
Okay.
Then for the bangus, 199.
Okay.
For the tuyo, 220. For the chicken pastil, 230. And for chili garlic oil, 179.
Ayan. Okay, afford naman pala, no?
Yes.
At saka worth the money.
Yes.
Doon sa sarap ng ulam.
Sarap talaga. Ulam na siya.
At saka kung kahit saan pwedeng dalhin.
Pwede.
Ayan. Affordable and yun, pwede sa camping. At saka yung marami pang bagay na
Baon sa company, baon sa school, pwede din sa bahay kapag biglang walang ulam.
Sa bagay. Pag kailangan rush. Kala naman marami nagmamadali. Tapos, kailan mo mga expiry niyan?
Okay, from 6 months to 1 year naman.
6 months to 1 year? Mahaba rin. Okay. Ayan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Imus. Sa may Imus City, dito sa SM. Dito sa Sheng's Gourmet. Ito, makikita nyo lang sa tapat ng SM Supermarket. Okay, ito po si Nino Christopher Rodriguez, ang taga Cavite Kapag. Back to yung mga kapwa Cavite niya, yun po si Ma'am Grace. Ciao! Okay.